Today I'm playing this game called Microwave Dinner. I think you can guess it. I think you can guess that. Okay, let's start. Say new. Okay, okay. Okay, there. Finally. Okay, let's go. It's a whole less fridge. Oh, I'm here. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Blue Fort. Blue Fort. Why did that remind me of Fortnite? Let me play the game. I want to play the game. I love this game. Damn. Oh my god. Is there someone here? Oh, they're stealing that machine, bruh. Oh, no, they're not. My food. No, oh, it's just not like collision. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm back. Finally. Yay! Blue Fort. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Now where is... Yum, yum, yum. Let me get over. There. Wait, how much do I need there? 60? Okay, that's gonna be my goal. Well, to get like 60 chicken pieces. Wait, can I go here? Where's there more food pieces? Get up. Yes, I got up. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, this is Obi. Yes. Seriously, no food here, can I? Oh, okay. Paint Trader's Bow. What are these stores? Let me talk to this guy. Hey. You seem interested in my paint. I can see it in your eye. Okay. Hi. Oh, it's Robux. I only have 4 Robux. Jump on. How can you get 3 pieces of scrap? I mean, maybe over here. Like a lot of metal. Oh, I see some food. So I'm definitely gonna go over here. And yes, okay, one piece of scrap. Oh, come on. Yes, here. Bro, how did I get all the way over there? Oh, I need fire running over there anyways. Oh, what? Does that actually work? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, never mind. Come on. Yes. Yeah, okay, I ain't doing that, bro. Oh, yes. I think this is like one of those chests. Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, so much food. I didn't even notice. I have enough, like, something to get into the place I was talking about earlier. Oh, that's so fast. Look. Area unlocked. Like, hey. Restaurant. Not to a restaurant. Oh, a robot. Microwave robot. It must be for a job. Let's talk to the chef block. Right in the kitchen. Okay, let's go. Ow! Good luck. Thanks, Papa. Ooh, okay, I found the lettuce. Go here and drop. Yeah! Okay, I think I need to know what. Oh, what? There's food up there. Oh, okay. Well, that was easy. And break crates. Oh! And then, if I go. There, I probably wouldn't notice. The meat. Okay, so. Dribbles? Crisscross? Oh my god! Yes! I need fish and a carrot. Where the hell am I supposed to get a carrot? Oh wait, how do I get up there? Oh yeah, crates. Okay, there, that works, that works. Oh, yes. Wait, can you just jump down? Wait, no, okay, I'm burning you. Here, double, crisscross. Yeah. Wait, what happens if okay, but where's the last thing? Ow! Okay, I don't think I can move the chairs.
Don't you notice how